Welcome back to the final part of our tumbling series. After about 2 weeks of being in the tumbler, our Royal Imperial Jasper pieces are done and nicely polished. Once again, we are going to pour this out over a bucket so the polish and grit doesn't clog up our sink, and the leftover polish and grit can be disposed of once the water has evaporated. Here you can see all the pellets of filler we've used up until this point, and you can actually bag these up and reuse these as long as you are using the pellets for the same tumbling cycles that they were used in before to reduce grit contamination. Here's a quick look at our final product compared to the rough rocks we started with. If you would like to do some tumbling of your own, everything shown here and everything we've used throughout this process, including the Royal Imperial Jasper pieces, are sold at thegemshop.com, so definitely check it out if you like the series. And until next time, thanks for watching.